Hey and welcome to my NFT Collection Maker 2.0 review. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nico. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day, and in this channel, I give honest digital product reviews along with awesome bonuses for products I truly believe in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. In this video, I am gonna tell you everything you need to know about NFT Collection Maker 2.0 software. What exactly it is, pricing, and how it will help you in your business. My goal is to help you make an informed decision so you don't end up wasting your money. And this is coming up. So, what is NFT Collection Maker 2.0? NFT is the first widely adopted blockchain technology, so don't fall behind and learn how you can become a part of that rapidly growing crypto economy. The time has come to jump on the NFT bandwagon, but how do you do it? As strange as it may sound, the main issue with selling an NFT collection is not the creation of the base art. The main issue people have is the technology required to generate a collection of 100% unique pieces and create their own NFT Ethereum contract. Ask yourself if you could manually create thousands of pieces of art for sale. It's extremely unlikely, even if you couldn't decide to spend months manually creating it. How would you ensure that each piece of art is completely unique and not duplicated? It is nearly impossible to accomplish manually. Agencies demand an arm and a leg. This is why the agencies that create those collections charge exorbitant fees for their services. They recently contacted one of those agencies and inquired about the cost of creating a collection of thousands of works with an Ethereum contract for it. The answer they received was that it would cost them 4 to 5 Ethereum to get started, and then 20% of all sales revenue, plus 1.5% of NFT sent directly to the wallet. Then there are the agencies who charge even more. They would also have to wait in line for over a month. It did not appear to be affordable to them. With the current Ethereum price, it would cost them $12,000 to $15,000 to get started, then $200,000 more if they sold out, plus 1.5% of their NFT collection on top. If you think the price they're asking is ridiculous, you're probably right. They reasoned that there had to be a better way. It's NFT Collection Maker 2.0. So basically, here we are on the sale page. Generate massive crypto NFT art collections automatically with TTC AI tech and have them ready for sale with as little effort as humanly possible. Deploy your NFT on Ethereum blockchain right from the dashboard. Results are not typical. You may get worse, better, or no results at all. Not financial advice. Info about NFT collection sales is just a report on what happened. Here are the features and benefits of NFT Collection Maker 2.0. World's #1 NFT Collection Maker app with TTC AI technology. Generates thousands of arts for collections. Programmatically verified artwork uniqueness. Customize and deploy your NFT Ethereum contract right from the dashboard. Cloud app, nothing to install. As easy as it gets to use. Includes free software updates. Highly optimized Ethereum NFT contact. Lowers NFT minting gas fee up to 60%. Here's how easy artwork collection generation is with NFT Collection Maker. Step 1. Create categories and upload base images. We will tell you to get those. Step 2. Generate preview. Step 3. Export collection. It can automatically generate software-verified unique artworks that you can sell as NFT. Are you ready to discover the first-to-market groundbreaking app with proprietary TTC AI technology, which allows you to automatically generate software-verified unique artworks you can sell as NFT? If so, I'm about to show you a 100% turnkey solution which generates massive NFT collections ready to be sold and allows you to not only charge one-time payments, but also forever automatically collect passive royalties every time your NFT gets resold on a secondary market, such as OpenSea. Watch this demo video about NFT Collection Maker 2.0, and I will be back to tell you more about this software.
Okay, here we are inside the platform you can use with Mac or PC, and we'll see how fun and easy it is to make these great looking collections of generated art inside NFT Collection Maker. And you start by going to Create in the left panel, and we'll call this collection Demo B, hit Save, and the first thing you'll do is make the traits for the images its parts. And the first trait we'll make, hit Create, start with Background. Its default layer is 1, save it. The next trait will be Body, default layer 2, save. And the third trait will be Hair, default layer 3, and so on. And I'm going to go to Demo A to save time. It's already made, and this is what all the traits look like when they're finished. You can see all the layers and all the items that have been added to make the arts look so great. And you can add as many items as you like here. So let's check on the clothing preview window here and look, and these are the cool parts that you can add, and here you can define the rarity of the items you've added or chance of the items to be included in the image. And by default, it's 100 divided by the number of images, so you can see here this item appears in 3.85% in all the images in the collection. And of course, you can control how often you want certain items to appear by adjusting this fantastic handy slider. Now, in another item, a feature we haven't seen anywhere else, multi-images in each item. The same image with two parts, because some hair may not work with, say, the hoodie, so you can choose there, and also some more flexibility. Sometimes you don't want some items working with other items, so back to traits quickly here, open the hair preview. As an example, this beret here won't work with the hoodie I showed you, right? So you go to forbidden items here, and you add other items to not be generated in this image. And in this case, you can see here, black hoodie clothing, bathrobe, and a few other items. Super, super, super cool. The perfect image you envision. All right, now back to the NFT panel to see how to generate your previews, and wait till you see how quickly that happens with thousands of unique images being generated in almost no time. So I just will delete these previews here so I can regenerate and show you the magic. So watch this. Generate preview, we're making 3,000 images, hit go. Not even in 2 seconds. And you have 3,000 images generated. So now you can review your images, and maybe you have a couple you don't want to use. I have 2 that I don't want generated with the 3,000, so I click on disable on each image. And so I go back to generate preview again. I will add 2 more, which will replace the 2 disabled images, and the TTC technology makes sure they are completely unique. So see, I actually have 3,002 images with 2 disabled to keep me at 3,000 images. You go to the Fresh button, and here are your newly generated unique images. And here they all are by pushing all. Wow! 3,000 fantastic images to generate. Each one is unique. You just can't do that manually. And there you are.
And yes, I hope you have seen exactly how it works. It's pretty amazing. Pricing. It's only $27.00 one-time payment. Very straightforward process. Before we explain exactly what you get after you sign up, let's first dive into the straightforward process of having base art created. If you are an artist or somebody who can draw at least a simple doodle, you can make the art for the first step by yourself. If you are not an artist, but are able to use websites like Fiverr or freelancer.com, you can have your base art created without you actually doing anything else, but describing how you want the art to be done. NFT Collection Maker lowers your cost as much as possible. For example, the super cool art collection you saw in the NFT Collection Maker demo was generated from a base art made by a part-time freelancer hired on freelancer.com. While it will not cost an arm and a leg to hire a freelancer to make your base art, it will not be free either. NFT Collection Maker was designed in such a way that it will lower your freelancer cost as much as possible, because the graphics designer only needs to create parts of the art, and then software will automatically combine these parts to make the entire art collection. Consider making your first collection smaller, just 3,000 art pieces. Also, if you are new to the collectible art business, and want to save even more on freelancer work, we suggest making a smaller 3,000 art collection, which requires less base art variations. Let me be clear, if you do not want to spend any money on base art creation, and you are not inclined to make the base art by yourself, the NFT collectible art business is not for you, due to the fact that without a base art, NFT Collection Maker will not have anything to work with. Go ahead and become a part of the new NFT economy. On the other hand, if you feel like what you heard so far makes sense, and you want to go ahead and become a part of that new economy, we will make hiring a freelancer as easy as possible, give you a ready-to-use project template, and the exact info on how the base art must be prepared. Because your base art will be unique, that would translate to your entire collection being completely different from anyone else using the NFT Collection Maker. NFT Collection Maker uses advanced TTC AI technology to not only create, but also programmatically verify artwork uniqueness, which is a must for NFT art collection. Host the entire collection of thousands of art images for your NFT completely for free. After your collection is generated, you need to host those images somewhere, and here again we have the great news for you. We will show you exactly how and where you can host the entire collection of thousands of art images for your NFT completely for free. Yes, you heard it right. You will pay nothing at all to host those images. You own Ethereum NFT token contract. NFT Collection Maker app also includes Ethereum NFT token contract you can customize right inside the app. So-called Ethereum NFT token contract is what allows you to turn art images into the NFT on the blockchain. The things you would need to enter to customize your Ethereum contract are as simple as the names, the description text, link to where images are hosted, and the price. The sooner you join the NFT collectible art craze, the sooner good things can happen for you. The crypto art market is projected to keep growing, with consumer brands and movie industry spearheading the mainstream adoption. With Coca-Cola, NBA, Disney/Marvel, and countless other top brands releasing their own NFT, the mass adoption is right behind the corner, accelerating, and when it hits like a 100-ton truck, you could be very well positioned with a collectible art business already running. Plus, you can forever keep collecting passive royalties from the secondary market sales for every collectible art you sell. It is clear that the sooner you join the NFT collectible art craze, the sooner good things can happen for you. My opinion, you'll be able to create an infinite number of stunning, unique, and professional NFT arts in minutes with NFT Collection Maker V2. You can easily edit and customize over 7,000 plus unique NFT pieces and NFT art design elements to create the perfect NFT art character for your needs. Since 2020, NFT Collection Maker version 2 has been one of the best digital art software programs available to the artist community, and it has come a long way. The software has an extremely user-friendly and customizable interface that is suitable for both experts and novices. There is no need for expensive software, graphic designers, cloud-based apps, or graphic design skills. NFT Collection Maker V2 provides you with the tools you need to generate excitement for your launch. Create a campaign, then add traits and attributes before deciding on a drop date. Concentrate on promoting your upcoming NFT drop rather than attempting to code a smart contract. You'll be able to create your very own custom-made NFT art with just a few clicks. This means you can easily use or sell them digitally without having to learn how to create NFT arts from scratch. The interface is simple to use and laid out exactly as you'd expect, and the default color scheme is fantastic. If you don't like it, it's completely customizable. Thank you so much for checking out my NFT Collection Maker review today. If you want to take a look at the NFT Collection Maker review, go ahead and click the first link in the description below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification as always. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next review video.